Hola amigos. Ditch the all-inclusive routine, we're diving into the real Punta Cana, where turquoise kisses the sand, adventure lurks around every palm tree, and the Dominicano beats stronger than a bachata drum. Forget guidebooks, we're your local guides to the soul of Punta Cana, a place where sun-kissed beaches whisper secrets, hidden waterfalls roar, and your inner child bursts out like a conga at Carnival. Pack your flip-flops, a taste for the unexpected, and get ready to say Punta Cana, te amo. Louder than a parrot squawking hello. Punta Cana's secret coves. Skip the crowded shores and discover Playa Guanillo, a secluded paradise where powdery sand squishes between your toes and turquoise waves shimmer like a mermaid's dress. Then, grab your snorkel and explore the underwater symphony of Bavaro's coral reefs, where colorful fish dart like confetti and sea turtles glide by like smiling abuelos. You'll be saying wow faster than you can order another pina colada. From mama's cooking to ocean to table delights. Forget bland buffet lines, Punta Cana's a flavor explosion. Taste the heart of the island at a local cassave stand, where crispy flatbreads made from cassava whisper stories of ancestors. Then, treat yourself to an ocean-to-table feast at La Yola, where seafood so fresh it practically leaps onto your plate will leave you speechless. Be warned, napkin factor goes through the roof. Culture vultures and history hunters rejoice. Get your history fix at Altos de Chavón, a vibrant artist colony built like a 16th-century Mediterranean village, where cobblestone streets whisper tales of pirates and cobblestone streets echo with live music. Then, delve into the island's indigenous heritage at Parque Duarte, where ancient Taino artifacts whisper stories of forgotten rituals and petroglyphs etched in stone speak of a timeless past. You'll walk away with more Punta Cana stories than you ever thought possible. Beyond resort karaoke. When the sun sets, Punta Cana transforms into a playground for night owls. Skip the overpriced resort shows and hunt for hidden beach bonfires where locals strum guitars and dance under the stars, the rhythm of the waves your only DJ. Bonus points for finding a lively nightclub tucked away in a tiny village, where bachata beats will make you move even if you have 2 left feet. And don't be surprised if you find yourself learning merengue steps from a friendly abuela. Family fun in Punta Cana. Claro que sí. Punta Cana isn't just for adults. Monkey Jungle is your family's backyard, where playful primates swing from vines and their antics will have everyone giggling like niños. Then, grab your inner Tarzan and zipline through the lush jungle canopy, spotting colorful birds and feeling the wind dance through your hair. It's an adventure the whole family will talk about for years. So ditch the expectations, pack your sunscreen, and maybe a light jacket for those breezy evenings, and embrace the Punta Cana magic. This island's more than just beaches and resorts, it's a vibrant tapestry of hidden gems, unexpected delights, and enough Dominican warmth to melt away your worries like sunshine on a sugar cane field. Come discover your own Punta Cana story, it's waiting to unfold under the endless blue sky. Remember to subscribe for more Dominican sunshine-soaked adventures and Punta Cana insider tips.